Set any song as iPhone ringtone. Easy GarageBand method. Bonus tip: how to set an MP3 as a ringtone on an iPhone. Using GarageBand app, you can easily edit an MP3 on your iPhone and turn it into a custom ringtone using the GarageBand app, free from the App Store. Here's a step-by-step guide. Install GarageBand. Open the App Store and search for GarageBand. Download and install it. Open GarageBand and tap Create Song. Find and select Audio Recorder. Tap where the red arrow is pointing. Disable metronome. Tap the loop icon. In the top right, tap Files. Tap Browse items from the Files app. Tap Browse. Select the location where your audio file is located. Find and tap your audio file. Tap and hold your audio file and drag it into GarageBand. Tap on your audio file to get the scroller. Tap the scroller on the side and expand or reduce the length of the file. The length of the audio film must not exceed 30 seconds. If your audio is already under 30 seconds, then you don't need to reduce it. Tap where the red arrow is pointing. Tap My Songs. Long press on My Song. Select Share. Select Ringtone. Give your ringtone a name of your choice. Tap Export. Choose whether you want to use your tone as a ringtone or text tone, or just tap OK. You can find your ringtone in Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone. Your tone can be used for various alerts, including ringtone, text tone, voicemail, mail, calendar, and reminders. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Please subscribe to stay updated on future content.